Hey tubers, wanted to give you a rundown on how this tach works on this Yamaha. So again, that's a mercury tach I picked up off eBay. Like I said, I paid 10 bucks for it. I stuck a little light on there just to let me know that, hey, the power's on, everything's on. The tach is running off the f25. You saw my previous videos, I did close up the holes. I got tired of it. Another thing I did, if you saw my previous video, I added that insulating foil and foam inside the cowling. It's on both sides and the top, and it's cut down on the noise quite a bit actually. Another update, so you've seen the tiller handle shaking. Can you tell? It's not shaking as much. So again, tightening the tiller handle, a little screw in the bottom. Then again, pulling this little sleeve back, you got the two jam nuts, tighten things up. Made a huge difference. I'm out here at Pueblo, about 4,800 feet. Caught a nice smallmouth. Trying to see if I can get something else, but show you how responsive this little tach is. I top out about 21 right now, 22 earlier in the morning. Anywho, worthwhile update. Like I said, adding the foam on the side of the cowling and on the top, the 10 mil foam with the aluminum backing, cut down on the noise quite a bit. The tiller shaking, so she's at 700 right now. So if I bring the RPM down to 750, it calms right down. Getting rid of the, fixing the tiller handle vibration. I know I've heard other folks say that their rods are vibrating if they've got the rods in the boat. That definitely solved it. Hopefully this helps.